Launching a business in Florida? Let's make that LLC official. So, you got a business idea and you're ready to take the leap in the Sunshine State. But where do you begin? If you're thinking about forming an LLC in Florida, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a way that's easy to understand, even if you've never done it before. And hey, if clear, step-by-step business guides are your thing, then hit subscribe and ring the bell so that you never miss our latest videos. Let's dive in. Setting up your company as an LLC gives you a layer of legal protection. If something goes sideways in your business, your personal finances, like your savings or car, stay safe. But that's not all. Florida doesn't have a state income tax, which means more of your earnings stay in your pocket. Plus, the state makes forming an LLC relatively quick and straightforward. Now, you can't just name your LLC anything. Florida requires your business name to include limited liability company or one of its short forms like LLC or L.L.C. It also needs to be totally unique, meaning no other business in Florida is using it. You can check availability using the Florida Division of Corporations website. Unlike some other states, Florida doesn't offer name reservations, so you'll want to be ready to file once you've picked the perfect name. A registered agent is someone who agrees to receive legal and official mail for your business. It can be you, someone you trust, or a professional service. The only requirement? They need to have a physical street address in Florida and be available during business hours. Many business owners go with a third-party service just to keep their personal address private and avoid missing anything important. This is where your LLC officially begins. In Florida, you'll file your articles of organization with the Division of Corporations. The fee is $125, and you can file online or by mail. If you go the online route, which is faster, you'll usually get approval within a few business days. Once it's processed, boom, your LLC is officially on the books. Now, this one's not required by Florida law, but it's still a very smart move. An operating agreement lays out how your LLC runs, who owns what, how profits are split, and what happens if someone wants to leave. Even if you are the only member, this document helps keep things very clear, especially when opening a bank account or handling legal matters down the road. Once your LLC is official, the next step is getting an EIN, or Employer Identification Number. Think of this as your business's social security number. You will need it to open a business bank account, file taxes, hire employees, and it's totally free and easy to get directly from the IRS website. You can apply online and get your EIN immediately. Once you have that EIN, it's time to open a business bank account. And this helps you avoid mixing personal and business money, which protects your LLC's legal status and keeping your bookkeeping clean. Now, most banks will ask for your articles of organization, your EIN, and sometimes your operating agreement. To stay in good standing, Florida requires all LLCs to file an annual report every year. The report is due between January 1st and May 1st, and the filing fee is $138.75. Miss the deadline? The state adds a hefty $400 late fee, so this is definitely one to mark on your calendar. Starting a business is very exciting, but also a little overwhelming. And that's where Simplify LLC comes in. We can help you handle the filing, act as your registered agent, and keep you on track with reminders for things like your annual report. And there you have it, your step-by-step breakdown for forming an LLC in Florida. You've got the roadmap, now it's time to take action. If you're ready to move forward, head over to simplifyllc.com for tools, templates, and services that make the whole process even easier. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. We love hearing from fellow entrepreneurs, and we're always here to help. Catch you in the next one.